Her grandma.
She's really beautiful. I like the way she smiles. She can make everything delicious. She's 64 years old. She already died, but she's still in my memory. When she died, I'm just 9 years old, so I can't remember her face. She was born in not too many times since 1950. Nobody knew her that day. I also, but I remember she died in 2005 on 12 December. My grandma has 2 kids and 4 grandkids. She loves all us very much and always try to help and also look into